Good morning, everyone. So I got the request and someone that asking me the other masses to hard for them to make. So any idea that I can make, show them the easy way to make a different type of mat and it's quick and easy. Here I have the fabric 100% cotton. If you don't have it, you can get the bed sheet or pillowcase and you can cut it out as long as it's 100% cotton. So here I have the fabric right here that's 15 by 8. So 8 inches and 15 inches long. And from the beginning, like when you cut it out, you fold in a half an inch and you're going to iron it for both sides, both ends, this end and the other end. So half an inch. In this project, nice and quick and easy. All you need is that two elastic. I got this elastic from Amazon. It's coming really quick, 2 or 3 days. And also you need some kind of clip, this kind of clip or paper clip, anything that you can hold a fabric. Dress a needle. I have a sewing machine, but at this time not a lot of people have a sewing machine, and it's not about the people come up here and do it by hand. You know, I know a lot of people don't know what I'm doing, thinking that I'm showing them that by hand it take a long time, but it's not a lot of people have a sewing machine. So I just want to make it nice and convenient for someone who don't have it. And so okay, so after you get the two ends, it have an in at the end in like this, you're gonna fold it in half. You make sure the end meet the end like this. Remember this facing out. Okay, now I'm going to use the pen and the ruler. So from here to, from the beginning where you fold it to down here is 1.5 inch. You're gonna mark it right there, and then 1 inch and 1.5 and 1 inch. You're gonna do that same side, same thing to the other side. 1.5 inch from the beginning to 1.5, and then 1 inch, 1.5 and 1 inch. Now you're gonna fold it. So you're gonna hold this hand together, hold both of the side together. I'm gonna put my thumb here with the mark, say 1.5 inch. I'm gonna bring it down to 1 inch right here. 1.5 inch. I'll hold right here. I'm gonna bring it down to 1 inch. Right here. You see? I'm going to get the clip. I'm gonna clip it. Same thing to the other side. Okay, so I have one right there. So now we did fold 1 inch. So now I'm having 1.5 inch. I'm gonna fold into 1 inch. So I'm gonna put my thumb in 1.5 inch. Right there. I'm gonna fold into 1 inch. So I fold only 2 times right here. Okay, so I'm gonna get the clip and I'm gonna clip it down. Okay, and now you're gonna get the iron. You're gonna put on it. You're gonna press this iron down. Okay, so after you done that, you're gonna take the clip off and you're gonna open it. You're gonna face this down. This side where you fold from the beginning, face this down. You're gonna open the R, and now you're gonna fold it back in. Fold it back. The other side. Fold it back. So now you have two. You see, this is the line that we fold in the middle, and this is the line that we fold in the middle. Now you're gonna get elastic. You see the line right here? You're gonna put elastic right here. And I'm gonna fold it in half. Just make sure there's two sides right here that meet together. And then when everything is even, you're gonna place your hand on top of it just like this. And then you go back and check the string, the elastic. Okay, so when the elastic sit right here, you're gonna clip it with the pepper clip. And then the other side right here, you see it? You push right where the line that you fold. You have to stay right at the end, right that. And then you clip the pepper clip right there. Okay? You do the same thing to the other side. The other side, you're going to do exactly the same thing. You're going to put an elastic inside. So open it. And then you put the elastic where the line that you fold. And then at the end. Right there. You can see. Now I'm going to clip. You can just clip to keep it in, stay in place. Now I only need this part. I'm going to clip it right here in the middle. Right in the middle, so I can sew this one in. So dressing needle. I have it right here. I'm going to show you the nice way when you thread it by hand, and it make it very nice and neat. So first of all, I just want to make sure this is stay right in the where the line that you fold. I'm going to get the needle about 1/2 inch. You sew about 1/2 inch in here. Okay, so I'm going to get the dress, go right into the elastic. You keep go up and down. So when you get the needle up like that, that means you go in between the elastic and the fabric. Just make sure you hold the elastic in place, because this is where you wear it. Okay, and now this is the way I'm gonna show you when you sew by hand. So you sew it just normally you would do. Just do a dress down and then up, pull the dress. You see, when you just come out here, you're gonna go back to the here, and then you go up, and then you go back, you go up, go back, and up, and go back, and up. And I'll show you what the line look like when you're done. It look like you use a sewing machine. Go back and you go up. You keep doing that until you're done. It take a longer time, but the stitches look nicer. You kind of go back and up, go forward and backward. Go back to the same hole, going forward and backward, forward, backward, forward. Okay, now it's to this end. You see the elastic right there? This dress and needle go right into it. Go right there. See? And then you're gonna go back and forth, up and down, many times. When you get into the end, you see the elastic in there. Make sure you poke your needle right through that elastic. And you go into this and you go up and down, but make sure your needle and thread go through the elastic a few times. So make sure you go through the few times here. So the elastic and everything stay. Okay, now I'm going to double knock at the end right here, because I went at least about 7 or 8 times at the end to make sure the elastic stay really good in here. And I'm going to pull I'm going to do another double knock. Another knock right here. You see this one? I'm going to go through and pull. And that's it. It's done for this mask. It'll take you 5 minutes to do so. And look at the stitches. It's not bad. It's like you doing with your machine. This is the back. Nicer. Corner to corner, make sure everything nice and straight up. And there you have your face mask. The open part that we're gonna stay in the front. This part it wear it inside. This is face to your face. This side it face to your face, and this is you wear it outside, like so. It should be like this. And this is the open part where you put your filter. A quick adapter will show you. I'm going to cut the fabric out. I'm going to cut the fabric. I'm going to measure it. I'm going to cut the piece of 4-inch. 4 by 3. 1, 2, 3. Iron. I'm going to take about 1/2 inch from the 4-inch long. That side. I'm gonna take 1/2 inch in. Same thing, 1/2 inch. This side 1/2 inch in. And this side 1/2 inch. So basically you fold 1/2 inch for 4 sizes. It's a little thick, so you can leave your iron a little bit longer and move back and forth. Alright, so you have something like this, where the line 1/2 inch, you go right there. Alright, and this side, you're gonna fold it right in. Make sure you stuck everything in. So put your button right here. Hold it. Get your dressing needle. Go through the button. Pull. And then go down. Now you keep sew it in. Back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. Many times. I would do about 7 times. This mat, and this is the adapter. It's the same thing, and I'm gonna show you how I'm wearing it. So this is the mask look like when you're done. It's nice. The open part where you put the filter. It takes you 5 minutes or so. And now I'm gonna show you the adapter that I have in the back. How I wear the adapter that I make it matching. So I'm gonna put the adapter right here. I'm gonna bring the mask, the string over from the other side too. And now you have your own adapter matching with your face mask. So comfortable, it's nice, and it never can fall down. So easy to do. Take you 5 or 7 minutes to finish the whole set. Thank you for watching, everyone. Please stay safe and take care. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.